at?
I'm located in Cleveland Heights, that area.
Oh, okay. You want to be in a house or apartment? You want to be in a house or an apartment?
I'm gonna be in an apartment.
Oh, okay. And how long was you trying to see me?
Let me get a I don't know, actually. I'll try to get 30 minutes.
Okay, well that's 120.
Okay, 120. Okay.
Just text me your address and stuff, and let me know when you're ready.
Do you have are you like do you get like fetish friendly? Are you fetish friendly?
Huh?
Are you fetish friendly?
I'm not sure. I don't understand what you're saying.
Are you fetish friendly? So like, do you like participate in like domination type of activities?
Oh, like with toys and stuff like that?
No, just you telling me what to do, and
Oh, yeah, I can tell you what to do, sweetheart.
okay, that's fine, that's perfect. And so do you want a blackbird dog swarm or what? Like if you're playing Dom?
Huh?
I was wondering if you wanted a blackbird dog swarm if we're playing Dom. You know, that's typically what I use, but.
Oh, okay, it doesn't matter, sweetheart.
Are you an AR Slayer or SMG?
Neither.
Neither? Oh, you like to sit back with the sniper rifles. I see. You're pretty freaky. But so how much is this gonna cost?
Half is 120.
You said 12? That's perfect.
150.
Oh, okay. 120? Okay, we said 240, right? 230?
That's for two girls.
And I'm coming to you, right?
No, I come to you.
Oh, yeah, that's perfect. I have my gaming setup right here. I don't have to travel. So so I was wondering, I have a friend here, and I was wondering if, because we're doing that, and then so we're gonna be playing COD, right? We're gonna do a LAN party, and I was wondering if you could like go purchase your own controller, because I don't let random people use it, but
well, that'll be extra, sweetheart.
oh yeah, you could like purchase a scuff controller online. It'll take a couple days to ship in, but
Okay, just text me your address and let me know when you're ready.
my address? I think we disconnected.
You have reached the voicemail box.
Okay, I got this.
216.
Let me block this number.
When you are finished recording, you may hang up or press pound for more options.
Ah! If you enjoyed the video, please like and do my channel, hit that subscribe button. I always do that when hookers go to voicemail. But let's try to get 3 likes on this video. I'm Steel Kitty, Reese's Pieces.